Hi everyone! Kumusta na kayo? Samahan niyo akong magluto tayo ng adobo. Yan. Luto na yan. Masarap, malasa, mabango. All natural. Wala siyang MSG. Yan. At saka, ano siya, super tender. Ayan, malambot siya, pero hindi siya nagfo-fall apart. Yan, ginamitan ko lang siya ng chicken legs at saka chicken wings. Make sure na maalis yung tubig, yung first boil. Yung unang kulo, itapon niyo po siya. Throw away the first boil na tubig. And then, lagyan niyo lang siya ng 1 cup na soy sauce. Yung sa akin kasi, I use low sodium na soy sauce. Tapos, lagyan din natin siya ng olive oil ang ginamit ko. You can use any kind of oil that you like, vegetable oil. Kung ano yung kaya natin. Yan. Hindi ko na siya i-fry. Pagsasama-samahin ko lang siya dyan. Tapos, 2 bulb na garlic, 2 buo yan na garlic. Para malasang-malasa siya. Tapos, pitpitin kung wala kayong garlic presser, if you don't have a garlic presser, use a hammer. You can or the ladle to press it really hard. Pitpitin nyo siyang mabuti. Yan. And then, lagyan nyo siya ng ginger. Yung luya, add ginger, 3 ounces. I use 3 ounces. You can add 2 ounces. It's okay. Yeah, that's equivalent to a 3/4 cup of ginger. Pag siniksik nyo yan, kalahating cup lang na ginger. I like it a lot of ginger. Mabango kasi pag marami siyang luya. Yan. Tapos, takpan siya, pakuluan siya ng 10 to 15 minutes. Then, add the rest of the ingredients. Yan. Add your onion. I use 2 large onion. If you want, you can add 3. Yan. Chop nyo lang siya. Yeah, masarap yan. And then, I use 2 nectarines and 2 peaches. I-chop nyo lang siya. Hugasan nyo, make sure hugasan nyo mabuti. Yan. Sarap yan. Sarap na malasa. Tapos mabango siya. Yan. Haluin nyo lang siya. Make sure to mix it all up first. Ayan. And then we're gonna add some ground black pepper. I use 1 teaspoon. You can add only half if you don't like it too spicy. And 1.5 tablespoons of salt. You can adjust your salt. You can only use 1 if you don't like it a little too salty. Yeah, I use Himalayan salt, by the way. Ginamitan ko po siya ng pink na salt. Sea salt is fine as well. Okay din ang sea salt. Yung regular na sea salt natin is also good. Yan, haluin nyo lang siya na mabuti, but be gentle on it para wag siyang maghiwa-hiwalay, wag siyang madurog. Yan, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng 2 tablespoons na lemon at saka 1 whole orange, half cup yan, equivalent to half cup. Then cover it, cook it for 35 to 40 minutes. Or 30 to 35 minutes kung ayaw nyo ng medyo lutong-luto. Yan. Then, cover it. Optional ang laurel. The bay leaf is optional. I added 6 to 7 bay leaves. If you don't like it, or if it's up to you if you like the bay leaf, but I like bay leaf in my meat. On my meat, yeah. There you go. Thank you for watching. Salamat po. Salamat po sa panunood. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye! Stay safe, everyone. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!